Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable the Examiner in this proposal examinations, Mr. Nuardi MED. I am Anggun Octaviani with scene 12, 01, 04, 25, 49, and 3. The students of Department of English Education, Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teacher Training, State Islamic University, Sultan Syarif Qasim Riau. In this opportunity, I will present my proposal, which title is An Analysis of Students' Level of Reading Comprehensions in Narrative Text at Nurul Falah Senior High School, Pekanbaru. Okay, let's start. The first slide is about background. Reading comprehensions is very important for readers because it shows that the readers has been able to understand the messages or all informations that the author wants to convey, because understanding is the main goal of a reading activity. Then, so that researchers can find out the extent of students' reading comprehensions level. They use 3 levels of students' reading comprehensions, namely literal, inferential, and critical. One way to improve students' reading skills is through narrative text, because narrative text also plays a role in developing reading skills and helping students develop critical and creative thinking skills. Other editions, several experts. The first is Freeman 2002, and then Richard 1985, and then Sutanto Leo 2006, and the last is No 2002. The next slide is about identifications of the problems. This is part, there is 2 points. Point number 1 is students still have difficulties understanding due to their limited vocabulary. And point number 2 is students lack interest and motivation, so they are not focused when reading. The next slide is about limitations of the problems. The researchers focus on examining students' reading comprehensions level in narrative text at Nurul Falah Senior High School, Pekanbaru. And the next is about formulations of the research. And this part is what is students' level of reading comprehensions in narrative text. Next slide is about objective and significance of the research. Objective of the research. There is 2 points. Point number 1 is to describe of students' reading comprehension level on narrative text. Point number 2 is to see level of students' reading comprehensions using narrative text. Next is about significance of the research. There is also 2 points. Point number 1 is the result of the study can be used as a reference for subsequent researchers and as a completions of previous theories. And point number 2 is the result of the study can be used as a reference in carrying out the teaching learning process for teachers. The next slide is about definitions of a term. There is 3 terms. The first term is reading comprehensions. Reading is the main goal of a reading activity. Reading comprehensions means making meaning from reading, gleaning, creating ideas, informations, and mental impressions from reading. Gillette and Charles, 1986. The next term is about level of reading comprehensions. In the study, researchers used 3 level reading comprehensions based on Richard 1985, namely literal, inferential, and critical. The last term is narrative text. Narrative text is the type of a text is not only aims to tell a story to readers, but also presents interesting perspective of the world to the readers. Dirgayasa 2016. Next slide is about chapter 2, theoretical framework, reading comprehensions. Number 1 is definitions of reading. Reading is the process of conveying ideas from one person to another person through the medium of reading. Miller, H.W., 1990. The other several expert is Greb and Stoller, 2002, and then Ediger, 1991, and then Dupuis, 1992, and then Smith and Robinson, 1980, and then Grelet, 1992, and then Wingersky, 1999, and the last is Anderson, 1972. The next theoretical framework is definitions of reading comprehensions. Reading comprehension is the capacity to understand information to find reading passages in order to of significance the character in those passages. Greb and Stoller, 2002. The other several experts, Gillett and Charles, 1986, and then Freeman, 2002, and then Harris and Hodges, 1981, and the last is Gillett, 1994. And number 3 is level of reading comprehensions. The laws of reading comprehensions is literal, where students must be able to understand, remember, or repeat on the reading. Inferential is students must be able to understand ideas and conclude in the context on the reading. And the last is critical. Critical students must be able to respond and evaluate. Reading has been studied. Richard, 1985. The next theoretical framework is narrative text. The first definitions of narrative text. Narrative text is a type of a text that not only aims to telling a story to readers, but also presents interesting and perspective of the world to the readers. Dirgayasa, 2016. And editions of several experts is Jeffrey, 2016, and then Ediger, 1991, and then Berwick, 2000, and the last is Creswell, 2012. The next, number 2, is generic structure of narrative text. According Berwick, 2006, the first is orientations. Orientation is the authors provide the setting and period of the story. And number 2 is complications. Complication, it shows how complex the problems that to make characters alive. And number 3 is sequence of the events. It shows emotions and actions the characters. And number 4 is resolutions, is the solutions of the problems. And number 5 is coda. Coda is convey principle and moral lessons. And next is language features of narrative text. According Wagner and Baskerville, 2000, there is 18 points. The first is use past tense and present tense, and then the sentence length is various and use simple, compound, complex sentence. And number 4 is use a variety of sentence opening. Number 5 is topic sentence are not essentially used. And number 6 is use paragraph that are not the same length. Number 7 is use vocabulary connected to the subject material of the narrative and to the author styles. And then use language that is consistent. And number 9 is use specific nouns, then general nouns. And number 10 is use personal pronouns to avoid overuse of proper nouns when talking about the characters. 11 is use actions verb regularly in the complications and perhaps the resolutions. And 12 is use connecting verb to connect the features. 13 is usually the active voice is favored over the passive as it gives more excitement. 14 is use thinking verb to deliver what the characters are thinking. 15 is use specific, descriptive, adjective, and adverb. 16 is using prepositions to tell where, when, and how. 17 is using conjunctions over time, for instance, after and since. And the last is using regular punctuations. The next is about relevant research. The first is Nur Ainun 2017. Number 2 is Husnul Khotimah 2021. And then Ayu Arini 2013. And then Dede Reski Perdiana 2022. And the last is Ayu Rianti 2023. The next is about operational concept. The level of reading comprehensions according to Richard 1985. Literal. There is 5 points. The first is the students are able to identify the main fact in the text. And number 2 is the students now name the main character and the place mentions in the text. And number 3 is students can identify the writer point of view. And number 3 is students can assess the quality of information sourced in the text. And the last is students can quote sentence from the text to support their answer. Next, inferential. There is also have 5 points. The first point is students can draw conclusion from the text. Number 2 is students can predict what will happen next from the text. And number 3 is students can identify the purpose of the writers. And number 4 is students can make an assessment of the character in the text. And the last is the students can understand cause and effect relationship stated. Critical. Point number 1 is the students can evaluate the strength and weakness of the argument presented in the text. Number 2 is students can identify the reader's point of view. Number 3 is students can assess the quality of information sourced in the text. Number 4 is students can analyze the claims presented, whether they are sufficient and relevant. And the last is student can assess whether the argument presented are logical or not. The next is assumption. The assumptions in the study is if students are interested in reading, will be more accustomed and become frequent readers so that they unconsciously begin to improve their reading comprehension level. The next is hypothesis. There is no significant level difference between students who use narrative text as a data collecting tool at Nurul Falah Senior High School Pekanbaru. Next is there is a significant levels difference between students who use narrative text as a data collecting tool at Nurul Falah Pekanbaru Senior High School. The next is chapter 3 is research design. In this study, researchers use quantitative approach and descriptive design. Next is subject and object. Students of Nurul Falah Senior High School Pekanbaru as the subject and the analysis of students' reading comprehension level as the object of this research. Next is time and locations will be implemented in 2024 at Nurul Falah Senior High School Pekanbaru. The next is population and sample. The first picture is the total populations of Nurul Falah Senior High School Pekanbaru. The total student is 110, and the picture number 2 is the total sample of Nurul Falah Senior High School Pekanbaru, and the total student is 29. And in this research, researchers using simple random sampling adapted from Sugiono 2017. The next is technique of data collections. In this research, researchers use test subjective, and in this picture is criteria for determining the level of reading comprehension level of students. And in this criteria adopted from Nurgiantoro 2001. Next is validity. Validity is the extent to which assessment results are appropriate, meaningful, and useful for the assessment. Creswell 2012. Next is reliability. Reliability is reflected in obtaining the same result when measurements are repeated in different places or by different people. Brown, 2003. The last slide is about data analysis technique. The researchers use a quantitative descriptive methods to analyze the data in this study. The researchers want to know the extent of students' reading comprehension skill. So to find out, the researchers calculate the average mean of students' scores at each level. And in this picture is the formulations to calculate the average mean of student scores. And it is formulations adopted from Siregar 2010. I think that's all for my presentations. Thank you for your attention. I apologize for my mistake. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.